everybody, welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet. This is Taz. You'll notice that I'm shooting outdoors today. I'm on the back patio of my son's home in Georgia. I'll be here for a little while longer, so I thought we would do something a little bit different. But today I'm going to present a review of the brand new style by Rene Of Paris in their Orchid Collection. It's called Attitude, and it's in the color Blonde Ambition. This wig was provided and video sponsored by Wig Studio One. Attitude is the first style of the Orchid Collection that I've been able to explore. I think that collection is really neat and really fun, and I was excited to get this curly little bob style cut. I think that that Orchid Collection definitely has a niche in the market, and I'm not sure that it may have replaced their Bold collection years ago. A couple years ago I think they rolled that out, because there are some similar styles and colors from that line, if I'm remembering correctly. So let's start with an unboxing, because I think they have a really unique packaging design. Just the colors and things, I think they're real fresh, pretty, and fun. I haven't used any product or heat appliances in this style. The only thing I did was turn it upside down. You saw me give it a couple of really nice shakes. I put my hands in there to swirl around and kind of set those fibers free from the permatease. So let's go ahead and take a look at this color, Blonde Ambition. So this is really a brunette, because it starts with the base color of a deep, dark chocolate brown, probably a 2, in my opinion, at the bottom. Very, very dark. And then you'll kind of graduate into some very deep caramel shades, like a deep amber gold coppery color. And then sprinkled on top is some pale, like a 613, just a pale baby gold. And that you'll see on the top and on the sides. And then it's an extra long root, so that root shade is also a medium to dark brown, and it does come out a little farther than the average root. So it just makes for a very fun, bold color. It's a short to mid-length, curly, voluminous, round bob cut with lots of little spiral curls in there. It does have a lace front, and then it's open top, sides, and back. I want to talk with you a minute about this lace feature. So the lace feature, it's a thick material that they use. It does run temple to temple. It does not extend past the temple. And you'll notice that it is a little bit scalloped here. You could trim this lace if you want to, although it is ready to wear right out of the box. The lace material is a bit scratchy and a little less pliable than some, and a bit shiny to look at it from the front. Now you can always blend in a little foundation or something to take that shine down and help it blend into the skin tone a little bit better, but it does hug the head very nicely there and give it a nice realistic look from the front. In terms of the fringe, I think you're probably looking at about 7.5 inches here on the front fringe if you kind of stretch it out. That's what I'm noticing, although I'm not taking these measurements from the site. And then overall, probably around 13 inches. It weighs just under 5 ounces, so about 4.67 ounces. There's lots of heavy, thick, pillowy permatease all throughout this cap. It starts directly behind that lace front, carries through the top, the crown, the sides, the back, and the nape. Really thick, pillowy permatease. That's going to help you keep this rounded look. The downside to that permatease is that it's very thick, and it does impede the movement of the fiber, especially there on the top. Now what you want to do is work on this part to give it a little more natural look, because as it is right out of the box, you can see down into the permatease around that part. So you can get a wide tooth comb, kind of push it down into the bottom of that cap and just sort of pull up gently to kind of spring the parts, spring the fibers away from that permatease. So this piece and other pieces from the Orchid collection are heat friendly. The manufacturer does recommend that you use a heat setting of 300 degrees or less to heat style these fibers. The fiber is of a thick, coarse denier, so each fiber is thick. The density is also thick, and they're not too soft to the touch. It's not rough, it's just a coarser nature to these fibers. Here's a look at the inside of the cap for Attitude by Rene Of Paris and that Orchid collection. There's the temple to temple lace front. You'll notice that it does have a scalloped front that you can either use some pinking shears to straighten that out, or you could leave it just as it is. I think that it's a bit thick and scratchy on that lace front, but it does lay flat, very nice and flush to the head. You have a closed ear tab, bra strap type adjusters. There's an extended closed nape as well. Lots of wefting. I believe that it's average right out of the box, and I had to cinch it in only slightly to accommodate a petite average circumference. I think this wig style is meant to be fun and flirty and just bold in its nature. So I think styling is absolutely going to be a blast, and I'm so glad there's a bit of a lace front there so that we can pull it away from the face and do a number of things. I also think that you're going to have enough length to get a little bit of a ponytail on this style, and these beautiful ringlets will leave some really pretty tendrils along the sides of the face. As I stated before, I think this Orchid collection definitely has a nice niche in the market. I think the ideal consumer would fall into 3 categories. If you're like me and you're an avid collector, you want these pieces in your wig wardrobe so that you can kind of change up your style and be fashionable and have fun. There's tons of really bold, fun colors in this collection. Another reason to embrace this style is that for that occasional wig wearer who just wants a special piece to wear to a party or a wedding or something special, I think this would be a great option. If you want beauty on a budget, these styles are super affordable, especially if you can apply one of the standard coupons in the market. Wig Studio One is offering 30% off of this style, and that makes it well under $100. So what do I love about this style? I love the fact that it's bold, it's fun, and it's affordable. Everybody have a great day. Be sure to check this style out at Wig Studio One.